All right, this is the table that you need to make as your homework for this weekend. You'll notice that I have the table that is centered in the page. There is a starry background. You'll notice that it repeats. Here's this star, and you'll see it again here. So there's no need to do background attachment or background size. Just have the background image only. You'll notice that I have a galaxy image right here. This is a PNG. The position is absolute, and it is inside of a block which is position relative. You'll have to figure out which one to do in order to make it work. You'll notice that I have the background glow, which is multiple. I think it's 5 different shadows that are 0 pixels distant from the object. The only thing that I did was add a blur and a color. There are 5 blurs and 5 colors of varying strengths. You'll see that I have the rounded corners right here and at the bottom. That in particular is very hard to do, so you might want to avoid that unless you really want a challenge. You'll notice that when I mouse over the table, the top 2 rows do not get the hover. The bottom row does not get the hover. The only thing that gets the hover are the rows in the body. So you'll notice it stops right here. You'll notice that as I go over, the rows get the same color as a hover, and that the individual TD cells also get a glow of their own and a kind of like a light pink color when I hover over those. So there are 2 hovers going on here. There's a hover for the row and a hover for the individual TD right there. I think that is pretty much all you need to know for this. If you have any questions, just send me an email.